Hi there everyone, my name is Hitesh and I welcome you all to Trade Brains YouTube channel. Now the topic which I'm going to discuss today is a very interesting one. This topic doesn't get talked too much about, but this is one of the most amazing form of technical indicators and one of the most easiest form of technical indicators to understand. Normally the technical indicators like MACD, RSI, Bollinger Bands can become slightly complex, but the technical indicator which I'll be talking about is a very simple one. Even without any technical knowledge, you should be able to use it comfortably in your trading and make decent gains out of it. And the indicator which I'm talking about is called the super trend. Yes, you heard the name right, super trend. Just like its name, it's a very amazing indicator and it gives you super awesome results. So let us try and discover more about this concept of super trend and use and apply it on the charts. So if you look at my screen right now, I've got a split screen of Nifty August futures and I have plotted a 15 minutes chart and 1 hour chart. Now you must be asking why two charts. Now depending on the kind of trade which you are looking at, you could use super trend accordingly. If you are looking for short term trade or a day trade, I would recommend using the 15 minutes chart. So let us focus on the left hand side of our screen. Now as you see, I have plotted the super trend on the chart itself, and you keep scrolling the chart on the left hand side. You must be seeing there are basically two kinds of line here. One is a red line and the green line. Let us make a common conjunction here, saying that green line would normally signal buying and red line would signal selling in the market. Meanwhile, if you're looking for investment and trading advisory, look no further than Capital Via. They are industry leaders, industry experts, and they are SEBI registered investment advisor and trade advisory. They have been in the business of advisory for over 13 years, so they have rich experience and they are expertised in them. Let us know a little bit more about the services which they provide. So they provide services both for medium term, long term and short term investors. They provide services in the options field, futures field, cash market, and depending on the risk profiling and the kind of trades you're looking at, they give you services. They have various products like Market Pro, Market Neuron, Tech IQ, Quant IQ. Let us understand about one of them. If you go to the Market Pro, you get to see what are the various services they provide. They provide services for traders who want to trade equity market, commodity market. So they have different services like the D-Lite services, equity cash, equity options. So you, depending on the kind of trades you want to take or depending on the market which you want to trade, you get services from them. If you're looking for advisory, do check out the website of capitalvia.com. Now I'll be scrolling through the chart and then explain the kind of trade opportunities we got and what kind of trades to be taken here. Now if you keep scrolling on the left hand side of the screen, you could see a green line, a red line, again green line here, again red line here. So what do we understand by this? That the market is giving a signal of buy or sell in the market. That is, this indicator of super trend is providing you signal whether to buy right now or sell right now in the market. Generally what happens super trend, when the trend is changing, an arrow is formed. Now if you see, there was a red line formation, which means the market was on a sell zone, and as in when the trend changed and we saw the green arrow formation on the chart, it normally indicated that there is buying momentum likely to come and we should be looking for buy trades in the market. Now how does one buy, when does one buy? A simple rule would be here is that once a super trend formation gives you a simple signal of buy or sell, take the trade and place the stop loss below the first candle, or the other way is look at the trend which is going in the market. In general, the super trend works more in the trending market and is not so advised in the ranging market. I'll explain you about that also in the video. Why should I not trade in the ranging market and why trade in the trending market. Now if you look at this first chart of Nifty here on the left hand side of the screen, it's a 15 minutes chart again. The momentum was a bit of bearishness and we saw a super trend, but once this green signal came from the market, you have to wait for the close of the first candle and see if the next candle opens above it is when you take a trade for it. Don't take a trade even though if your super trend gives you a buy signal but the next green candle is kind of little on the weak side, or it's trading below the original green candle which gave you a signal. Wait for the confirmation to come from the market, and if you see here, once the first green candle formation and the arrow formation happen on the screen, as you can see here, it means that the trend is likely to change. And when do we get confirmation? Only when the next green candle happened is when we got confirmation from the market. So if you're taken a long here somewhere around 16,319 levels and kept a stop loss below 16,290 levels, you would have got like a 20 tick or 20 point stop loss, and then you write the trade in the market. Now the next point which comes to mind, that how do I know when I have to exit in the market? You don't mark any levels on the screen right now here. You just wait for the trend to keep continuing. As long as the trend is green by nature, you keep holding on to your trade and you exit from a trade only when the super trend again gives you sell signal in the market. So there you don't have to worry about what's the level to enter or exit. You have entered, you have kept your stop loss, now you keep riding the wave with the super trend as long as the momentum is giving buy signal. Let us spot few more trading opportunities here. Again, if you look at the chart on the left hand side of the screen here, we got another buy trade here and the trend lasted here for quite some time. Now the super trend here gave you a signal of sell, but the momentum wasn't therefore strong. You could have lost some money into it because even the next candle after super trend gave you a sell signal. So it's okay to lose money sometimes as long as you follow your stop loss discipline. But again, if you look here, the super trend here gave you a confirmation of buy in the market. The next candle was again in the sideways zone, but once the market closed here around the level of 15,800, you knew that the trend was changing and the upward momentum was coming in the market. You take your longs here, keep your stop loss below the original level of 15,481 here, because that's when the trend changing indicator and the arrow formation came from super trend. And look at the gains which you got from here. If you had entered around 15,900 levels, keeping a stop loss of 15,850, you could have held the trade till the trend change, and the trend change around the 15,275 levels. So look at the kind of gain which you got. You got a profit of nearly 300 points by keeping a stop loss of just 50 points. So risk to reward ratio is always amazing if the trade goes right using a super trend, and this gives you a very good confirmation trend in the market. Now the other way to trade super trend is for long-term trades. If you look at the chart again on the right hand side of the screen here, this is the hourly chart of Nifty and it gives you slightly longer for time frame trades, but the stop loss here also is slightly higher. So depending on the risk to reward and the kind of trades you're looking for, you should use super trend. If you're looking for a daily trade, or if you're looking for holding trades for a week or maybe 4 to 5 days, you can use hourly chart of super trend. Now how does one spot a trade here? If you scroll down the chart and spot for trading opportunities, it gave you quite a few entry and exits in the market. If you look at this trade here also right now in the market, the prior trend here was that there was a buy trade going on according to super trend. But when the confirmation came here on the weakness or the sell side in the market, you got a selling opportunities and the trade might not have made too much money for you, but it gave you a decent return about 50 to 60 points in the market. If you scroll more towards the left hand side of the screen, you see this kind of trade which happens in the market. The market here gave you a super trend buy trade around 15,500 levels and the trade gave you a profit of nearly 300 points. Now again, if you look at the daily chart here, we are trying to see what kind of trade opportunities which come from the market. It gives you great trade opportunities, gives you a trade of about 1000 points to 1100 points, sometimes maybe more than that. But the stop loss also on the higher side, you have to put a 200 to 300 point stop loss. So depending on the risk appetite and risk profiling, you can use super trend for daily chart trading also. Now if you look at this chart here, the market here previously was on a sell trend given by super trend, but once this arrow formation of green happened and we got a buy trade from the market, you wait for the candle to close above it. The first candle was green here, but the next two candles were red, so you don't enter your trade. Always enter your trade after the closing of the next candle. Don't enter trade in that candle because you might get false trades. So once the candle closes at the fourth candle, you have to wait for 4 days for the candle to close above the initial super trend signal candle. Once that confirmation trend came, and suppose that if you had taken longs around 15,200 levels and your stop loss would be around 14,880 levels, so you have a stop loss of about 320 points here. But look at the trend continuation. The trend is continuing till right now. It has given you a profit of nearly almost 1200 points in a trade, and the trend is continuing right now because the bullish moment is there in the market, and you can just keep trading a stop loss along with the super trend. Your current stop loss would be around 16,000 levels, which means even if your stop loss is triggered today also, you would have made a profit of 800 points on this trade. So this is the kind of long-term trades you can take also using super trend. You can spot quite a few opportunities if you keep scrolling on the chart and see how does super trend work. Now the important thing about super trend is that always do the testing on paper trade first. Don't enter in the market just because I've said this is a good indicator. Take few trades, 15-20 trades, and see the risk to reward ratio. What kind of market is this trend working? So you get good trades in the market. But one thing is for sure, don't normally trade super trend in a rangy market because it normally doesn't provide you the great results. And you might get stuck in the wrong trade, and you might get stopped a lot of time, and when the good trade comes you might not be there to take in the market. So wait for the next candle to close above your super trend candle, which signal came from the arrow on the upside or downside, and then take your trades. You might still get stopped out, but your percentage of making money is much higher using that kind of trades in the super trend. So that is it from us in this video of explaining the concept of super trend. It's a very simple, crisp, and I hope it gave you a decent understanding of how to use super trend and what kind of market to use super trend. Again, to reiterate, use super trend in the trending market, avoid using in the ranging market. If you have any more questions, put all your doubts in the comment section. I'll be more than glad to answer it. And if you like our video, please comment, like and subscribe, and please don't forget to press the bell notification icon. I thank you for your patient hearing. Thank you so much.